Welcome back to Soul Talk. This is all about earth medicines. And so the topic is, are all vitamins created equal? Absolutely not. In our last episode, we talked about the hydrocarbonaceous intermediates and how those have side effects because they're synthetically mass produced in a lab. And so when you look at vitamins and how can we know what vitamin is a better vitamin than another vitamin? Number one, if you can find it in your mass markets, it's probably not going to be the best. However, things are shifting, and now companies like Barleans and Garden of Life and Red Remedies, well, possibly not Red Remedies, but definitely Barleans is found in mass markets as well as some other very good companies. But most of the companies that you're going to find at CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Kmart, Target, those are hydrocarbonaceous intermediates, as well as they do not have to put on the label how they are processed. And what that means is that a lot of those vitamins are processed with hexane, preethyl chlorate, acetone. What is that? Acetone is fingernail polish remover. Preethyl chlorate is dry cleaning fluid. Hexane is gasoline. And so those traces are left inside the vitamins. Now, they do remove it. And they say, well, we removed the chemicals that we used in the processing. But are you 100% sure that they got all of the trace elements out? Of course not, because it's about impossible to do that. Well, number one is that hexane, acetone, preethyl chlorate is going to completely degrade the bioactive constituents. So yes, you're getting the vitamin, you're getting turmeric, or you're getting vitamin C, or you're getting vitamin D3, or you're getting a multivitamin. But is anything viable? Is anything alive? Is anything working? And some people will say, oh, well, I took my vitamins and my urine turned yellow, so I know I'm getting it. Well, actually, if your urine turned yellow, it's probably because the vitamin passed into your urinary tract, unless it's a B vitamin. If it's a B vitamin, that is a side effect of taking B vitamins, is that your urine will turn a bright yellow or possibly even an orange color. So if your urine is turning yellow, it's because it's passing most of it into the urinary tract. So you're basically just urinating it out into the toilet instead of utilizing it in the body. So if you're looking for a great source of vitamins, you can get that at your natural health food stores. I always say support small businesses, small business owners. You can also get it at the larger health food stores as well. But if you're buying it at CVS, Walmart, Kmart, people say, oh, well, I can get my vitamin C for like $5 at Walmart. And I go, well, I can save you a trip to Walmart and take your $5 and just pour it into the toilet and flush the toilet, because that's what's happening. Your body isn't able to utilize it. It's not actively being shuttled into the molecules, into your bloodstream, and your organs are taking that and using it. So if you're looking for good vitamins, I will share with you, there are some extremely good vitamins. I always go to whole food, and the reason why I say whole food is because your body sees it as food. So when you eat something, it's delivered in a glycoprotein-bound matrix, and your cells have these receptor sites, and they're looking at everything that's coming into your system. And it goes, oh, wait, I know what that is. That's vitamin A or vitamin B, B1 or B6 or B12 or C or K, and I'm going to absorb that and utilize it. When it is delivered outside the glycoprotein matrix, your cells can't really recognize it. And so your cells go, okay, well, I'm going to try to absorb that because that's my job, is to absorb things. But the molecule is so big, it can't absorb it. And that's why most of it passes into your urinary tract. I hope you found this helpful. And just remember, you can find a lot of medical studies on vitamins and supplements on PubMed.gov. That's PubMed.gov. You can also go to Google Scholar and look up information on that as well. You can Google it, just plain Google it, and say studies in reference to turmeric or anything else. Turmeric, by the way, has been studied in many different places, but Sloan Kettering Cancer Center has studied that in depth. So if you're looking for the cold, hard facts and statistics, start doing your research. Don't listen to what the mass media is telling you. Do your research. Your health is your choice. Make it a great day. Can't wait to see you at the next Soul Talk.